Hello and welcome to another update video about SUI. SUI is showing us currently a little bit of a pullback there, but overall we're still printing higher highs and higher lows. Just looking at it visually, this third wave could be complete, wave 5 of 3. The thing is, the third wave is a little bit too weak. Okay, you might, but again, that depends a little bit on how I'm counting the subwaves, which is not reliable due to that shallow wave 2. So this here might be something different. Without a deep wave 2 that gives me a, let's say, a good feel for the microstructure, this is really difficult to really count the microstructure. However, the idea is that we had an initial 5-wave move up from the 2nd of September low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in wave 1. Then we had a wave 2 pullback. And then this here would be a third wave. But as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's fine, but it's a bit short. So maybe there's another internal 4, 5, which I cannot rule out. Nevertheless, the support area is, so it doesn't mean we have to test support now. Actually, I would prefer if that internal third wave was going a little bit higher before the fourth wave starts, because it's just a bit short, that third. Okay, now again, it's not entirely reliable because it really depends on where I put the wave 1. So with that short wave 2 or that weak wave 2, which is unusual but not unheard of, it's a bit difficult to determine really the microstructure. But it's served us well so far. Yesterday the price reacted to the communicated micro support area. I think after I made the video we had a nice bounce and it reached the next Fibonacci extension here at $1.60. Still, would prefer if this third wave was going a little bit higher. Okay, so maybe this is all still part of a fourth. You know, there are many ways how this could play out. Bottom line is, I've adjusted this main support area for this fourth wave. If we get a pullback, we could call this already the larger fourth wave. But below $1.11, I will not call it the yellow count anymore. Then it's probably topped in red wave 2, which is the bearish scenario. So I can tell you that below $1.10, $1.11, that's the 50% retracement of the entire rally, which is the impulsive support. So whether I'm correct with the microstructure or not, we know that below the 50% retracement, the move to the upside is very likely not an impulse anymore. And that means red wave 2 will have likely topped. I expressed clearly the risk in this current price region because we're now quite far away from support. And I've also explained how important the $1.77 level is. We're not there yet, so maybe it gives us one more final push to that level, even in yellow wave 3. But the red C wave, which is part of that bearish scenario, the red C wave target, okay, the $1.77 level is a key target for red wave C. So we have an A wave up, we take the same length of that A wave and it gives us that C wave target, $1.77. It's the 100% extension of the initial rally that happened between the 5th of August and the 12th of August, which was an impulse, actually one of the few impulses we've seen in crypto in the last few months. So yeah, ABC, okay, and that C wave could hit that level easily, but it doesn't need to. So anywhere here now, we're close enough. From experience, I can tell you we're close enough. Just be on high alert. Doesn't mean we should be bearish. I actually, you know, this is one of the few bullish charts actually out there. I just want to say this is a key pivot. Whenever we're approaching these extremes, these key pivots that the bulls now need to overcome, it is sort of higher risk. And it might, you know, SUI might struggle a bit. Then we've got so above $1.77, we've got $2.18 and $2.47 as next key targets. When we get to $2.47, I can add a support area for yellow wave 4, and then we can watch for one more high in wave 5 to 280 plus. This is how I see it at the moment, which means for now, I'm still watching for higher, ideally even in this wave 5 of 3, that would be ideal. And maybe we get to $1.77, but if there is a deeper pullback, the area between $1.37 and $1.11 should offer some support for the bulls. That's the update about SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.